Hi, David Russell here from Benton First United Methodist Church. This weekend coming up is Memorial Day weekend. And with that in mind, I want to give you a quick quiz. Memorial Day is A, the official day to start summer, B, the day we open up the swimming pool, C, a whole weekend full of sales and shopping discounts, or D, all of the above, or E, none of the above. Well, I think we know that Memorial Day is much more than any of those things. And we're going to think about that this Sunday as we have a message entitled, All Gave Some Gave All. And it's coming from the words of Paul in Galatians chapter 1, verses 3 through 12, that contain these words that say, Jesus gave himself for our sins. So in light of Memorial Day, we're going to think about that idea and have a great time in worship. So I'm hoping that you will have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, that you'll get to spend time with family and friends. But I also hope that you might make time to come and be in church this Sunday and worship with us at Benton First United Methodist Church at 8:30 or 10:30 a.m. I'll be looking forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.